Okay, you guys want a tour? Let's go. Okay, so I live in student co-op housing in Berkeley, California. Right now I live with about 50 other people. This is my room right here, like so. Okay, yeah, this is that. This is Elliot. They stumbled into my crumble cookie review. They, he pronouns. Okay, so we're leaving the 10s hallway. This is the mail room. We have a mail manager who takes care of all the mail.
This is the red room. This is kind of our lounge space, and also where we throw a lot of shows.
Okay, out here is the out here is the courtyard. Right, we got our gym set up. Got San Francisco over there. Ops always. This is the bee garden. I mentioned I live with 50 people. This house can house up to 125. We have 70 rooms, so that means some rooms are like a double, a triple, a single. Over summer though, everyone gets their own room just because we have the space. In terms of the house, this is the 10 side, and then this is the 100 side, and then this is Elliot and bro. Okay, so if you come up from the mail room, you pop into the womb. I put a clip of this room in my crumble cookie review video. It's definitely really eclectic. I love it. Bam! This is the balcony. We chill out here, hang out. The view down from the courtyard. Love the sort boards. Every so often we have a new sort board. They're always so funny, and you can just see where you're placed, and it's fun.
This is our fridge and freezer. Here at the co-op, we buy all our food together, and then we pretty much share our resources. This is the pantry.
We keep most of our dry food and like condiments in here.
This is the kitchen.
Rob, tell us what you're making here.
I'm making spaghetti bolognese with turkey instead of beef.
Wow.
It's lower fat content.
Wow.
And yeah.
Wow. These are one of the stairwells going up to the roof. The 100 stairwell certainly has a lot to see. Okay.
This is Eos. It's our rooftop bar room.
Wow. Wait, hold on. Someone cleaned it. Looks very nice. Out here, we have a view of SF and Berkeley campus. Our neighbor is also a co-op. This is their geometric dome. We love the Berkeley construction. All right, and we're on our way over there. On the 300s floor, we got some awesome art. This is one of my favorite pieces.
And the 20s floor has some of my favorite pieces.
That door is super cool.
George Harrison.
Now we're entering the 100s wing. I live on the 300s floor of this building. This is the 300s floor. This is what I live on. This is my hallway. Oh, every floor has the bathrooms. They typically look like this. Showers here, toilets over there. Here's another example of a room. I think this one's a double. This one's a single, so here we go. Here's the view from the 100s outer facing rooms. Also, this is what I have on my door. This is what I painted it, yep.
This is the back stairwell.
All 3 floors of this stairwell are covered in graffiti art. Hello.
Hello.
This is the This is the study and garden roof. We have a printer and hella chairs and tables for students to study here. That roof is kind of known for a little bit more of the party venue music side, and then this is just for chilling, studying. Yup. Yeah, this is the watermelon wedge painted as such. So yeah, I think that's definitely kind of all we have to show you. I mean, this house is not for everyone, we definitely want to say, and not every house in the Berkeley Student Co-op system is like this one. They all look a little bit different. They all have like different members and member capacities who live in them. We live in the biggest one, and so... Second biggest one, but technically the first biggest.
Yeah, so the co-ops are like an affordable housing community. Pause is too long.
But yeah, basically rents are super low to live in a co-op because all of the housemates just work together to cooperatively ensure that this house is habitable instead of like investing into outside like teams, care teams, maintenance crews, cleaning crews. This is the maintenance manager. But yeah.
Link to the BSc in the bio.